How to stream on Twitch with OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can stream on Twitch with OBS Studio. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, OBS Studio is a completely free application that the developer has provided and the company have provided since many years so that people like us can start streaming for social media platforms. Now, assuming that you've already downloaded the OBS Studio application, you want to learn directly how to start streaming. It's quite simple, but the very first step requires you to connect your Twitch account to OBS Studio account. So in order to do this, open up the OBS Studio app. From the top left, go to the file section here and then just go to settings. And once you go to settings, you'll find this type of information where you have to go to the stream tab. And once you go to stream in the service tab, make sure to select Twitch because that's where we want to stream to. Then select the option called connect account, which is the recommended one. By the way, you can also use a stream key, but that is not recommended nowadays. So now you can directly log into Twitch here. Click the OK button to connect your Twitch account. And then after you have done that, you should be able to customize some of the Twitch settings, which is your streaming settings, and start streaming. This way you can set up your Twitch with OBS Studio and start streaming. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.